pork fried wontons. These are a classic takeout item that are easy to make at home and they'll wow your guests. To make your wonton filling, you'll need ground pork, you'll need Napa cabbage chopped, you'll need green onions chopped, cornstarch, soy sauce, sesame oil, and white pepper. Add your cabbage to your pork, your green onions, and your cornstarch, and your seasonings. Mix well. To make our wontons, you'll need an egg to use as glue. You'll need a package of wonton wrappers and your filling. You can get wonton wrappers in the produce section of your favorite market, or if you go to the Asian market, you can get bulk packs available in the freezer. Beat 1 egg to use as your glue for your wontons. To make your wontons, you'll need to pull 1 wrapper and put filling in the middle. You're gonna want to egg 2 sides in a C pattern and then fold it in half. So you have a little envelope, and then you'll want to take a little bit of the egg, dab 1 corner and push where the meat is and fold it in half. That's the easiest way to fold a wonton. When you're making wontons, you can use any filling you'd like. You can use chicken, you can use seafood, you can use beef, and even tofu. One variation of wontons is crab rangoon, which is cream cheese and crab meat and some type of onion product wrapped up in a wonton wrapper, just like these. They're fried and delicious and creamy on the inside. The technique for wontons is the same, whether you're using them for pan frying, for frying, or for soup. To cook your wontons, you'll want to put them in some oil that has been heated to 350 degrees until they float. Submerge them into the oil for 2 more minutes until they're golden brown and delicious. And that's our pork fried wontons. They are nice and crispy on the outside, and on the inside they have that delicious pork dumpling filling. If you want to make these for a party, you can make them ahead of time and they'll be able to sit out for a couple of hours, but they'll go fast, so make sure you have plenty.